Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start this event. I'm leaving my little campsite here. Kind of raining yesterday, so it was like wet. You see these puddles. So I got puddles here, puddles everywhere. Came out in my Crocs and all of a sudden I was wet. But this is my little camp. I'm gonna walk around, see what we have. All right, I'll see you at the event. Take care now. What is that?
It's a valve that you can install on anything plastic, bucket, milk juice jar, and hand washing station.
And it's what does it do though? It just stops
It dispense water, open close.
Oh, that's pretty
You
interesting.
don't need any additional tools. It has knife inside, so you cut hole. Any plastic container.
Wow. How much is that?
$11.
I'll take one of those.
Then we also have a half modular.
I have both of them.
Oh, really? Yeah, man.
I've got the whole kit on both sides, man. These things are awesome.
Okay.
And I got the garbage can too.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Best garbage can you've ever
Dude,
owned.
the best one. The best one. What is that?
Internet.
Get out of here.
That's your answer to Starlink. Why you
Really?
Starlink?
I don't have Starlink.
Even better, you don't need to get it now.
What is it?
Red Zone. So we,
How you doing, sir? Good. He's the rep?
yeah, all of us are. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So tell me about this.
Red Zone, it's a cradle point made by Ericsson. Works off cell towers. Dan here he's part of the Overland community that does a lot of traveling.
Gotcha.
He said Death Valley is the only spot where he hasn't been able to get a signal. Everywhere else he's been working. He works remote while on the road. Right now, $250 deposit, which you will get back in 6 months. And then from there, it's $85 a month. Right now, where I just...
And what kind of service is it? 5G? What is it? 5G?
Yep.
And anywhere. I'm in Arizona.
I've spent, 2 weeks traveling all over Arizona early January on my way out to King of the Hammers.
Nice.
So, like, I
We're
mean...
from Maine, so we've got this all the way up from the East Coast.
So it's $250 and $85 a month?
$250 for the deposit. You get that back after 6 months.
Half Dome inside Yosemite.
Nice.
My booster was worthless. I worked the entire day.
So this is better than the Wii boost, you're saying?
Different.
Different.
So I still run a booster on my Jeep. It's just different scenarios, right? This is going to generate Wi-Fi.
Right.
So if you want to, like, you don't have CarPlay, wireless CarPlay, absolutely. It will generate all the time. There's times when maybe you don't need that on because you're near a city and your booster's doing just fine. Right. So I still run both because it's nice to have the option. Realistically, my booster has not been hooked up since I changed my battery right before King of the Hammers. I just missed the cord. To take it one step, I run with a spot. I'm full time. I have a spot in my Jeep that I just charged for the first time last week when I left Oklahoma in December because of the false, I know, but sense of security that I have with that. I'm always going to be connected. And when I said that on a call with these guys, I was like, oh, I need to charge that. That's not very smart.
So your spot is your satellite? I got the Zola.
Garmin. Yeah, same thing. And like, obviously I have a charge now, but literally I will, my wife is still in Oklahoma, while she's working, and we FaceTime. If I'm not at work, we're FaceTiming, and zero issues. If I'm going through a mountain pass, obviously you're going to get some signal, but...
So what is duct tape?
So it's a medical grade duct tape.
Medical grade duct.
Yeah,
so you could actually use this to, like, I shot somebody and I could patch up his hole.
That's the idea.
Nice.
That's the idea.
That's the best way of putting it, huh?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so it's an FDA approved adhesive that's on the tape. And then everything that you in the board right here.
So this is the roll.
Yeah, so
So it's not just duct tape, it's a whole roll.
it's a whole kit, yeah.
Holy crap, that's pretty. And this is everything that it has?
Yep, so that's everything. It fits in this spot. It folds twice and then rolls up and fits right inside it's a 30 feet of tape. So it fits right inside that. So that's the full kit hanging right
How much
there.
is that?
It's $89.99.